Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Safelists to generate affiliate marketing leads and sales. And during the course of the next few minutes, I'm going to email 660,000 prospects. And I'm in Hercules, which is free to join. And Hercules now I'm going to email 350,000 members with this safe list. I've preloaded the messages just to save time for the purpose of this video. But I'll just talk you through a little bit through each one and why I use them. So Hercules is the fastest growing safe list mailer in the marketplace. You'll see there that just literally took few seconds, 350,000. And what I like about Hercules is that you can join for free. You can join most of these for free and get credits. And you can start with Hercules by emailing 1,000 every single day. Each of these mailers that I'm showing you today includes tier 1 traffic and buyers. Done lots of other videos on this on my channel if you want to have a look at the individual platforms. Myleadgensecret is an email marketing system. I'm going to go into mailing system here. With Myleadgensecret, every single lead is tier 1 traffic. Select all. So each of these leads is from it's predominantly about 98% USA traffic. So I'm going to go into going to load a previous email that I sent out yesterday, and all the links will be in the description where you can join these email platforms. So I'm going to go into down here. Perfect timing ensures that the prospects see it within their time zone, and then when they most likely are going to be able to have a look at the email. You can preview it there to make sure your affiliate links are working, and then just send it. And with Myleadgensecret, you can get 100 leads every single day. If you refer one paying member, you get 200 leads per day. So it's worth referring one member to get 6,000 leads every single month. So that's Myleadgensecret. Let's go into European Safelist. This has got a membership database of nearly 17,940. It's nearly 18,000. This one's been around for a long time. Very popular safe list. So I'm going to email out today. How many credits have I got there? 63,000. So I can email out today to 17,905 members. 17,905 members. And we'll send that. Majority of the time, that's in progress. So we go to the next one. Majority of the time, I would say 95% of the time, I use a lead capture page. In this particular case here, I'm using a promotional page for one of my strategies, 2000. Proactive Mailer I really like because the owner, Phil, what he does, he cleans out this list every 30 days, and your emails are only going to be seen by those who are actively clicking on the emails for credits. So that's why he calls it Proactive Mailer. Just got to confirm the site here. Confirm your site. So Proactive Mailer is a great one. Frank Salinas has just launched this, 100% clicks. I'm going to go into the mailer here. And if you do, you can join these. I do recommend that you promote. I do recommend that you promote traffic, because then what happens is when you get, as a free member, when you start to earn affiliate commissions, then I recommend you reinvest some of those profits. And all I've done is I've just upgraded in these to reach a larger audience. So I'm just going to send this previous email that I sent. This is 1,500 members here. Frank Salinas has been online now full time for about 20 years. So Okay, your link's been tested. Okay, your message has been queued, so that's gone. That's great. The next one, Mr. Safelists by Jerry Iannucci. What I'm going to do at the end of this video, I'm going to give you a video. Sorry, not a video. I'm going to give you a free ebook by Jerry Iannucci, because this gentleman here, this is him here, Jerry Iannucci, the owner of Mr. Safelist. He's been doing Safelists marketing for 15 years, and he's an absolute grandmaster, and he will teach you how to become successful with Safelists marketing. So I'll put the link to his book in the description if you want to get his free ebook and learn more about how to become successful with Safelists marketing. Pangia is one of Marion Myers. She's been marketing for 25 years. She's a traffic expert. You can email up to 129,000 here. I've got 10,000 credits to use on this one. So I'm going to send out that one there to 10,000. Okay, so I don't know what that means there. You've already emailed today. I haven't emailed today, but I'll have a look at that later. It seems to just try that again and see what it says. Sometimes with this one, you've got to log out and log back in. Let's try again. You have to log out and log back into, that's probably because I haven't logged out and logged back in. State-of-the-art mailer, 44,000 members. This has been around for about 15 years. The owner, Brad, is an affiliate marketer. Let's send an email here with state-of-the-art mailer. I'm also a member. There we go, Mail Complete. I'm also a member of his Buckets of Banners traffic site as well. So he's another traffic expert. Darren Olander has been marketing for about 15 years. These next three sites are Darren's sites. I'm a member of Prosperity Marketing System, which is one of his systems. I came across these sites through his system there. And I'm going to, I think that's everything there. Just going to send email there. So this one's List Jumper. I've done reviews on each of these platforms, each of these traffic sites. I've done reviews on each and every one on my channel. If you want to just do a search on my channel and get some more information, I've shown you that they're all getting tier 1 traffic. And let's have a look here. What we're now, we're in list surfing. Come down here, send email. So you can see it just takes a few minutes every single day. When you first start, you're going to get free credits, so you can get started for free. And then what I did, I just promote traffic. And then when I get some commissions, I just upgrade. And then you can promote to a larger audience. AdChiever, another one of Darren Olander's sites. Let's send that one there. And that one's just going to have to load. Again, it loads. It just tests your page. It's got a frame breaker test in there. And that's got 20 seconds left on there. That's my page and video and system that I'm promoting on there. This is the ebook I want to give you by Jerry Iannucci. And it says here, The Ultimate Guide to Safelist Marketing. So it's a free ebook. And there'll be a link in the description. And Jerry will take you through. He's going to go through everything here within this ebook. So if you want to start doing using Safelists marketing as a strategy, I use it every single day. I do Safelists mailers every single day. I've been doing it for quite some time now. It's a great way to generate leads, tier 1 traffic, and include buyers. And if you want to start promoting Safelists mailers as traffic to earn affiliate commissions, then I'll pin this blog post that I did to the top comment below this video. 5 of the best free traffic sources that I personally use every single day. And I've been using these for quite some time now. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that. And that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And please share the video on social media. I'd really appreciate that as well. And if you've enjoyed today's video, you'd like to see some more videos from me, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new videos. So currently I'm doing several new videos every week, and I've now got over 1,000 videos on my channel. All the links in the description will be to the Safelist mailers and traffic sites that I've used today. I just like to do these little updates and show you they're really good for beginners, because you haven't got they've got a pre-built audience for you where you can start promoting straight away to some big numbers. Because if you haven't got an email list and you haven't got a social media following when you're brand new, then Safelist mailers are a great way to get started and reach tier 1 traffic and reach buyers straight away. You can just start today for free. So thanks a lot for watching. If you've got any questions, leave those in the comments below and I'll answer all your questions for you. And my email address will be in the description if you want to contact me direct through email. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.